Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at Amtex Delhi show and I'm in SHARPEDGE stall and I'm here with Mr. Amit who is going to tell us about incredible journey of SHARPEDGE. Thank you sir, thank you for inviting us here. Please tell us
Thank you.
about your journey.
Thank you for coming to our stall also during MTEX.
It's
And
pleasure.
we started our journey in the year of 2016, and with the help of uh, dealership we started in 2016, and now we are manufacturing also. So it is a journey from dealer to manufacturer, and we represented now Rego Fix as tool holding technology from Switzerland, Walter tools from Germany, all cutting tools and tool holding system we have. Apart from these, we do like complete tooled up project of as per your machine and your component. We do complete cycle time estimation, process optimization with prove out and technological tools implementation at your shop floor. So this is basic our journey from the year 2016 to as of now.
Awesome.
Yes.
So can you please tell us about your product, complete product range? It seems like you have
Yeah.
a huge product
Yeah,
range here.
yeah. Like we start like from here. This is Rego Fix Power Grip machine. It is basically a press fit technology. With the help of 9-ton press machine, it will clamp your tool within 8 seconds. And the beauty of this product is you will get run out less than 3 micron. Anti-vibration dampening technology is inbuilt in the collet material, and you will get 5-year complete warranty on holders, collet and machine also. So it is as of now patented technology, and all like machine tools and customers are appreciating to get the results from their machines nowadays. And we implemented last year somewhere around 11 to 12 machines in different customers.
Wow.
So this is the power grip technology. And coming to other products, like we have taper cleaning device also, which will clean your machine taper after rust, or maybe after a time of usage. Cleaning is important for your machine. So we have taper cleaning device also from Rego Fix, and spindle taper cleaning cone is also there to clean your machine spindle inside cone. So that is also we are presenting there. Some of our tools manufactured in-house from our facility is also representing. We do some kind of surface treatment also to smoothen chips flow. So that also we are implemented on our tools. That is also again Swiss technology which we implemented in our manufactured tools also. So these kind of all products we are displaying here.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome. So are you representing these products all over India or
Yes,
in
we do representation till north and eastern region. Up to Jamshedpur and Kolkata we are taking care, entire north region and Jamshedpur, Kolkata. So northern and eastern region we are representing, and we are doing service also. We have dedicated sales and service engineer in that regions also.
and you have your own manufacturing as well, is it correct?
Yes, we have our own manufacturing, which we started in the year of 2022 only.
Great,
Yes,
great.
last 6 months we are doing our in-house manufacturing also. Yes.
So you are selling these products, what you are manufacturing in India, directly to customer or through channel partners, or how you are doing
In
it?
both the way we are selling actually. We are directly giving to our customers as well. We are doing project, so we include our tools in project also, and to few dealers also we are giving our.
So right now, global audience is watching you right now, sir. So would you like to give any message if you are maybe trying to find out more channel partners across India or maybe across the globe? So floor is all yours.
Yes, I I will request to just give us a opportunity to serve in a better way. We will give our tools for trials also and for samples also. If that suit them, then we'll start the journey along with them also.
I am sure people watching you will give you a chance and give a chance to SharpEdge. And all the best to you, sir.
Thank
You
you,
are doing
thank
a
you very
great
much.
job.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
thank you,
Thank you for
Ashotosh.
inviting.
Thank you.
Thank
Right,
you.
thank you very much.